What's going on, Joyriders? Are you guys ready to vlog? Let's vlog. It's officially day 6. This dude, so rude, man. I was in the middle of introing my vlog and boom. The plan is today, Bruno and me are gonna join us. We're gonna do like a date night type thing. Not like that, but and then after we go out to eat, we're taking the ladies out for dinner, and then we're gonna head over to a place called Suck Bang Blow. That's a no, there's.
Oh, sorry.
What? You're not allowed to say that in Myrtle. Fun fact: if anybody comes to Myrtle, just so you know, it's illegal to curse in Myrtle.
$500 fine and up to a year in prison.
$500 fine. That's crazy. Are you ready? You're looking so pretty. Everybody comment below. Tell Laura how beautiful she is. How did I get grease all over my pants already and I haven't even done anything? We're doing like date night and I'm supposed to look nice.
I know, you dressed up.
I did dress up. I wore the white tee. Where are we heading?
Greg Norman.
Greg Norman's. Oh shit. I just spotted Ben Diesel at Mustang Week.
I'm not running!
Yeah. Just getting B-roll, babe.
Okay.
She's like, you should be my A-roll. Look at this. Isn't this so fancy? How come we're not sitting in that booth? Because that's where we normally sit.
We gotta take them to the pizza joint. Wait.
Which one? The one that you like?
The one down
we can do that after this. The pizza. He wants to take them to the pizza joint, so we might get pizza after this. What do you think? Don't they have cheesecake here? We're like cheesecake buddies, aren't we?
Yeah, we are, pretty much. I love
like
dessert.
Our favorite dessert.
Yeah.
Cheesecake. Best dessert. I know what your favorite dessert is. The D.
What's the D?
JD.
You guys have to check this out. I want you not to get into any assumptions. I don't want you to pre-think of anything, but I want you to look at Laura. Laura, say hi. Okay, all right, look at her. Let that settle in. Does she not look like she's, I don't know. What age do you guys think she looks? Laura just got carded, okay? And look at me. All that is youthful, handsome. Clearly, I could be 17 at the oldest, right? I didn't get carded. There's something really wrong with this because, as you can see, she's very empowering, very large in that chair, and you know, I just don't get this date. I'm out of here.
All right, guys. See you guys later. We're rolling out. Thanks for dinner. We got to roll. We got some vlogging to do. Car stuff, right? What? We just rolled out on them, didn't we? Thanks for dinner. So we're heading over to this place. It's called Suck Bang Blow. It's like a bar, and I think tonight is 80s night.
At least we dressed the part.
Yeah, we did dress the part. I've got my 80s Joyride shirt on, and you've got your 80s dress on. And we're going to head over there, see what's going on.
Starting route to Suck Bang Blow. Proceed to the route.
So you're gonna change?
Yeah, this dress is just not comfortable.
Look at that. Already changed. What are you wearing? What you got on?
Just a shirt I found in the back of my closet.
Nice. I like it. I'd rock that. Got like a little booth right here. So what are they doing? Just backing the cars in and just letting her eat? Yeah, the last one they come back there. They're like, right there. All right. What up, JD? Hey, what's going on? right?
Yeah, go.
God.
I haven't run into you yet.
Damn, where you been, man?
Just, you know, bailing people out of jail.
Oh, dude, where's your criminal wife at?
She brought the dog back though.
Where'd you get that from?
She beat someone up.
She what?
She like knocked into the ground and grabbed it.
You still inside?
Yeah.
That outfit though, I'm still haven't gotten over that.
She was trying to fit the sign right here, but it wouldn't fit. It was too wide.
Oh my goodness.
That's what I want to know. Someone told me to hold their beer while they went to Burnout. I never seen them sit, so I'm just walking around with their beer.
Alright.
I don't drink piss, so.
No. In the cage. Uh-oh. Anybody got a padlock?
It's got a little lever on it.
Oh my goodness.
No one got any zip ties? That'll work.
Alright, they're taking ones, guys. energy drink. There you go. Send it. Do it for the vlog. Do it.
EVP is too slow to send the burnout.
You don't know how. I've seen his burnouts on his videos.
Driver mod is not there.
Yeah, and they look pretty weak.
I mean, he's only pushing about 108 rear-wheel horsepower
108.
out of that NPI 2-valve with an eBay turbo.
Send it.
One thing I've noticed.
Bye-bye. He's gonna get... Got him.
What you do at that time, that point, is you just hammer. You just hammer
Now you're good. The cops are busy. You're doing this for the Joyride vlog, right? All right.
Buy some merch.
Buy some merch. It's definitely fun. This is like the Me Too go-to, but I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this vlog up. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.